biggest scientific challenge of the 21st century is the brain. That thinks, commands, controls the mind and the body. Nothing can replace the brain, the most enigmatic organ of the human body. National Brain Research Centre, popularly known as NBRC, was established by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India to unravel the mysteries of the brain. NBRC is located just 40 kilometers from Delhi at Manesar, Haryana, and was established on 14th of November 1997. It was declared a deemed university in 2002. This premier institute was dedicated to the nation on 16th December 2003 by the President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Since inception, NBRC is deeply engaged in understanding the brain. How does this organ that weighs just 2% of the total body weight manages such complex computations to be called the most powerful computer in the universe? Also to understand what goes wrong in the complex machine in brain diseases and mental disorders. The mandate of NBRC is to pursue research to understand brain function in health and disease, generate trained human resources with the capability to carry out interdisciplinary research in neuroscience, promote neuroscience in India through networking among institutions across the country. NBRC is committed to carry out this work for the nation by striving for world-class research and innovations in the field of neurosciences, imparting education in neurosciences to generate trained human resources, and providing infrastructure, facilities and expertise for neuroscience research to any scientist in the country. This internationally reputed institute has been fulfilling all its responsibilities with utmost priority and complete dedication, which earned them the prestigious tag of Institute of Excellence by the Government of India. The vision of NBRC is not only to be a world-class institute for brain research, but also to create a vibrant and active neuroscience community and become a catalyst for overall growth of the discipline in the country. The institute was founded with the philosophy of acting as the hub of the wheel rather than the wheel itself. This forward-looking attitude makes the institute believe in the importance of collective efforts to understand the structure, function and development of the brain.
The direction in which neuroscience is going right now, and that is where NBRC wants to go, is to essentially merge future technologies, artificial intelligence with neuroscience studies so that we can advance this field in a manner to understand these various brain function and brain diseases in a better way. What I would like to see is some kind of a center which combines neuroscientists as well as engineer as well as philosopher, so that we can simultaneously examine the moral and ethical aspects of the science on brain, come up at NBRC, where we are future ready.
The multidimensional approach of the institute encompasses all areas of neuroscience: cellular and molecular neuroscience, systems neuroscience, cognitive neuroscience, computational neuroscience and brain imaging, and translational neuroscience. NBRC aims to become a globally acclaimed center of excellence in brain research by 2025, with major expansion for advanced neuroscience research and state-of-the-art infrastructure. Scientists in NBRC use all available models to study brain, from nematode worms to humans and everything in between. Work is also done on brain cells cultured in a dish, which allows easy testing of various drugs and experiments that are not possible in a live animal. NBRC has made significant breakthroughs in understanding disease mechanisms and developing world-class cellular and animal models for the neuroscience research that are used by the entire research community. Broadly speaking, the Institute is currently engaged in in-depth research in understanding the basic mechanisms of information processing in the brain for learning, memory and cognition, sensory processes and perception, movement control, brain development and aging. NBRC is a leader in neurodisease biology in areas that include neuroinfections, neurodegeneration, injuries to the brain and spinal cord and repair, effects of maternal malnutrition on the brain of the child, and brain cancers. The work in clinical and translational neuroscience is on metabolic mapping of the brain for identification and prediction of diseases, and educational neuroscience and neurodevelopmental disorders in children. The model systems developed at the Premier Autonomous Institute of Department of Biotechnology have helped to place India at par with international laboratories engaged in brain research and are used by laboratories all around the country. Indian brain researchers can now study brain diseases at technically equivalent levels and work to reduce the burden of brain diseases in India. NBRC scientists have developed an Indian brain template for neuroimaging studies. This template was developed using imaging data collected from Indian population. This will help localize normal brain functions and disease areas in the brain more accurately in Indian brain. NBRC is a leader in research on understanding the mechanisms of neuropathogenesis by Japanese encephalitis virus, Chandipura virus, HIV, Zika virus and prions. The institute also focuses on development of drugs for Japanese encephalitis and other viral diseases including COVID-19. Brain cancer is another area of research where NBRC has a lead. NBRC is studying very aggressive forms of brain cancers with the goal of understanding molecular pathways that go wrong to cause the cancer and finding effective ways to cure them. NBRC has made tremendous progress in understanding how spinal cord injuries make the brain function abnormally, which hampers recovery and causes abnormal sensations called phantom sensations for repair and restoring function after spinal cord injury. NBRC scientists are studying worms to rodents to humans. The other unique feature of NBRC is the strong systems and cognitive neuroscience units. NBRC boasts of high-end MR scanner and high-density EEG systems completely dedicated to research and training, which has allowed research for immediate social benefits like for dyslexia and autism. Research says music and sung speech are processed differently in the brain in autistic children. This has provided a basis for the objective assessment of music therapy in autism. NBRC has a strong international presence in applying connectomics, approaches to multisensory integration, visual perception, healthy aging, and spinal cord injuries. NBRC is coordinating the DBT initiative on dementia of the old age, a work that is being carried out by research centers all across the country. We will not only know how prevalent is dementia in the country, but will also understand why some people do not develop dementia as they age. The outcome of this program will help scientists and policymakers alike. The flagship program of NBRC on brain mapping of common mental disorders of India aims to create a data bank of brain images and collect and analyze genetic data from patients suffering from anxiety, depression, PTSD, and bipolar disorders. NBRC also boasts of world-class expertise in non-invasive sophisticated measurements of brain metabolites using magnetic resonance spectroscopic techniques, an upcoming tool for early detection of neurological and neuropsychiatric disorders. several kinds of big data analytic tools can be applied on this kind of data sets that will serve as a research platform for various institutes of India. Studies at NBRC are also conducted to understand development connections between cells in parts of the human brain that is responsible for sense of hearing. These studies are important to understand disorders that start developing early in the life and have a strong hearing component, such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and autism. The Center of Epilepsy to develop a cure for drug-resistant epilepsy by bridging the gap between clinical and basic research. This is a result of close coordination between NBRC and AIIMS New Delhi. Some of the major research facilities available at NBRC are advanced live cell imaging tools and 2-photon microscope, whole cell intracellular and extracellular electrophysiological recording from a living brain, EEG, state-of-the-art 3 Tesla magnetic resonance imaging, magnetic resonance spectroscopy, magnetoencephalography, and various high-end microscopes. NBRC has multidisciplinary teams of scientists that work on the frontiers areas of neuroscience research. The networks of group working together and collaborate nationally and internationally to catalyze the overall growth of this discipline in the country. NBRC has successfully established a stem cell platform in collaboration with Gurgaon General Hospital. This is among very few laboratories that have developed a well-characterized model of primary neural stem cells of human origin. This is a unique research resource for the neuroscience community in India and has been widely used to understand various brain disorders. Besides research, the center provides a nucleus for comprehensive training and teaching in diverse subdisciplines of neurosciences. In order to promote human resource development, NBRC was accorded the status of deemed to be university by the Ministry of Human Resource Development in May 2002. The center offers MSc in neuroscience and a PhD program. In these highly sought-after programs, students apply from all over the country.
The core facility in NBRC is also very good because like we have animal house facility in the campus. We have microscopy facilities which includes 2-photon microscope and confocal microscope, spinning disc confocal microscopes. And we too have MRI machine in the campus which is open to all. Anyone can use it based on their requirement.
NBRC has multiple neuroimaging facilities. These neuroimaging facilities are open 24/7, which means that we can access the facilities at any time of the day, at any time of the night.
Recognizing the interdisciplinary nature of neuroscience, NBRC admits students from all the branches of science, not just biology. The students first undergo a rigorous teaching program for 1 year. They are exposed to the latest knowledge and research techniques. After developing a solid foundation, the students undertake research work according to their interests. NBRC alumni have taken faculty positions in premier institutes like IIT Kanpur, IIT Jodhpur, RGCB Trivandrum, University of Allahabad, Neural and Cognitive Sciences Department, Hyderabad Central University, BITS Pilani, Hyderabad. The trained manpower generated from these efforts would be the future scientists who would continue to reveal secrets of the brain. They would help even more diagnostic tools and therapeutic strategies for the treatment of brain disorders. These future neuroscientists would help the country become a global leader in this frontier area of science. Internationally, NBRC has a collaborative agreements with National Institute of Mental Health, NIMH, United States, Institut National de la Santé et de la Recherche Médicale, INSERM, France, and Forschungszentrum, Jolech, Germany. NBRC scientists also collaborate with scientists in other leading institutes in the world, such as Salk Institute, California, University of Kansas, University of Iowa, University of Tübingen, Germany, Florey Institute of Neuroscience and Mental Health, Australia, Johns Hopkins Medicine, USA, Pompeu Fabra University, Barcelona, Spain. Although the brain accounts for 2 to 3% of the total body weight, it consumes 25% of body energy. Undoubtedly, the major discoveries in science would come from neurosciences in next few decades. Doing research on the brain requires dedication, and NBRC is putting all the energy in this direction to understand the brain and keep us healthy.